Hello, my fellow kitchen technicians. It's your girl Belle here with you again, and I'm here with loads of gratitude for you. I'm very happy with the way you responded to my previous video, all the encouraging words you gave me. It made this whole thing worth it. Thank you very much. Please continue to support me by liking, sharing, subscribe, and hit the notification, most importantly, to receive all my subsequent videos. Thank you very much once again. Now I'm here with one very important technique for you, and as you can see here, we have carrots right in front of me. We are going to learn 3 different ways of how to prep and store carrots to keep them lasting fresher and longer for us. Interesting, right? Yes, because you will agree with me that we go get these carrots from the market to keep for later, only to realize after a few days that they've gone bad. But this is not going to happen here after we are done learning these techniques. So stick with me and let's do this. With our first technique, we need to cut off the tops and bottoms of our washed carrots. This is important because the top greens have the tendency of sucking the nutrients from the carrots. Put your carrots in a bowl depending on the quantity of carrots you have. You may leave them whole or cut them in half. Proceed to pour water over your carrots. Make sure they are completely submerged in the water. Set it aside on your counter. This can stay fresh and crunchy for up to 5 days or more. Do change the water from time to time when necessary. Now, if you want your carrots to stay fresh and crunchy for longer than a week, then the second technique is the technique for you. With this technique, cut the tops off for reasons we are already aware of. Put your carrots in any bowl or bottle with a lid. Follow up with your water. Make sure the carrots are totally submerged in water. Cover it up tightly and proceed to keep it in your refrigerator. This will last up to a month or even more, but be sure to change the water every now and then. Also, as your carrots stay very long in water, there is the tendency of losing some of its nutrients to the water. So be sure to use your carrots in good time so as to have all their nutrients intact. The third technique is the best if you want to store your carrots for even longer than a month. So with the third technique, we begin by scraping our carrots. Let's proceed to wash them with salt water. You can choose to wash with lemon or lime or vinegar to be sure that you are removing every unwholesome thing from them. Proceed to chop them into any consistency of your choice. We are going to try 3 ways. First, let's slice our carrots. Then we proceed to put them in a Ziploc bag. Secondly, we are going to chop our carrots. Go ahead and chop them into any consistency of your choice. Put them in a Ziploc bag. The last way is to grate them and put them in a Ziploc bag. The carrot is one of our many vegetables in the world. It is very nutritious. It contains antioxidants and also rich in minerals, vitamins, and fiber. It is therefore great to eat this vegetable raw or have it in your meals. Thinking about this makes me hungry. Okay, my fellow kitchen technicians, here are our prepped and ready to store vegetables. These ones right here goes into the freezer to store for as long as possible. This here in the bowl stays on the counter for at least 5 days or a little bit longer. And this right here goes into the refrigerator to last us about a month or even more. Yes, that's right. And we will be doing that with many of our vegetables and our ingredients. So we have a lot up our sleeves for you. So please and please again, in order to benefit from all this, please do like, share, subscribe and hit the notification, most importantly, in order to receive all these and more. Thank you very much once again. Do join me in the next video where we'll have something wonderful for you. Bye-bye.